Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to verify your Chime account. Alright, verification is always super important and super useful. If you want to know how to do that, this video is for you. Let's get straight into it. Now, the first step of course is to receive a verification code, and how you do that is first you log into your Chime account on your app or website, and then you got to navigate to the settings or account section. Then you want to tap on verify account or account verification. Then you got to choose the verification method. You can have that by SMS, phone call, or email. The second step of course is to enter the verification code you received. Now, after receiving the verification code, you got to tap the verification code in the Chime app or the website. You want to tap or click verify to complete the verification process. Now, an alternate method to do that of course is to do so through Chime customer support. Now, you could just call Chime customer support. The number is right there, and you could just follow the prompts to speak with the representative. Then you got to follow the representative's instructions to complete the entire verification process. It's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. And a couple of info you're going to need for the account verification. Of course, the first is your Chime account number. Then you're gonna need your phone number or your email address that's associated to your Chime account, and of course you're gonna need a means of identification. So that could be driver's license or a passport or whatever. You're gonna need that. Now, I got a couple of benefits to of course verifying your account. The first is increased security. So verification is going to add an extra layer of security to your account, just make it a lot more secure. And of course you have full account access. So once you verify, you're going to be able to access certain account features. And of course the third is compliance with regulation. So verification helps Chime comply with regulatory requirements, and of course there are going to be a lot that you can't do if you haven't verified your account. So it's pretty useful to just go ahead and verify your account. I got a couple of tips for you guys when it comes to that. So the first thing you got to remember is to complete the verification process as soon as possible. So you want to make sure you do that, preferably as soon as you open your account. So go ahead and verify it. The second of course is to protect your account information, including your phone number, your email address, and your account number. You want to keep those information safe and secure. The third of course is to regularly check your account activities to detect any suspicious transactions. Okay, you gotta check up on your account to make sure that someone doesn't have your password and is wreaking havoc on your account and all that. You gotta make sure to check in regularly and make sure everything is going as it should. That's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. Please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.